Welcome to the Camper Dan Files. My name is Chris, and in today's video we're gonna go do a little bit of off-roading, heading up towards Mount Charleston. And there's a couple of trails that go through here that I wanted to check out. This is a nice viewpoint. Just check out this viewpoint, guys. Wow. So I'm assuming at one point you were able to go down here because there's a little path. There's a little trail that goes off this way, but they have it blocked by this boulder. So they don't want anyone going this way now. And there's a road down here. I don't know if you guys can see it. And it goes a ways up the mountain. We're gonna go and assess that downgrade back there. Because it's straight down, we'll see. I'm gonna walk it first and see how bad it is. I mean, I did see some ruts down there, but it wasn't anything beyond the norm. So let me walk down here and see, because there's gonna be ruts coming back up this thing. I'm not concerned, because I've ran my truck through worse things than this. Hopefully the camera is doing a good job of picking this up. Yeah, the ruts are deep. And I think if I pick the right line, I should be fine. And to come back up, if I have to come back up, I don't think that would be an issue either. I'm usually a really good judge of things, but you know, you don't want to be overconfident in the capabilities of your rig either, because that's when you tend to get yourself into trouble. So what I wanted to do was walk down and see the worst of the ruts, which I believe I'm seeing just that right now. So there's everything else going down the hill here, and then here's everything going up. And I've navigated ruts worse than this before, and we're gonna take our time and come down this, but I'm pretty confident I'll be able to get back up here. We're gonna run it. We're gonna risk it for the biscuit. Locked. Locked. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, we made it out, guys. Made it out. And we didn't lose anything. Everything that we went in with, we came back out with. So it was fun. It was really fun. Thank you guys for tagging along. Here's the road back to civilization. So for those of you who have been wanting to go off-roading in your R50 Pathfinder and you're afraid that it's not good enough, Trust me, it's good enough, even if it's not lifted like this one. Let me tell you, the first time I took this thing off of the pavement to do some off-roading, it was all stock. So whether it's stock or lifted, it doesn't matter. It'll get the job done. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a like. And while you're at it, don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Chris, and this has been the Camper Dan Files. And until next time, keep using your Pathfinder as a Pathfinder, on or off the pavement.